Good evening, everyone. My name is Ritvik Yadav. Currently, I'm pursuing my bachelor's in technology from Rajasthan Technical University. And here I am presenting a short presentation on what was my experience and what did all I gain from this ISTE internship. It was under the guidance of Mohammad Muslam sir, who is a professor in College of Aviation in Bangladesh. So in this whole internship, there were so many periods of time and there were so many things to learn. But I will conclude all those in three sections. The first is what the work I did. Second is what the experience I got, and third is what new things I was able to discover. So I will start with the work. So the work in this particular internship was very it wasn't limited, it was very broad areas. It was like a broad area to cover through, but because and it was a very hard task to cover such a broad area with a limited period of time. But because of such a proper and healthy guidance by the sir and my family members, I was able to complete and work all the things into a period of time. I was able to generate a CAD model which was working with a very optimum range, and I was very happy with the results I got from it. It wasn't so much complicated, it was a very limited structure, but the result I got from it was very extraordinary work. This all did happen just with the period of time and with the proper and correct guidance. The second thing is what experience I got from this. I have been having so many mechanical experiences in designing, but this was out of the boundary thing, as I told you earlier. This was a mix of so many things. It was mixed of aeronautics, it was mix of avionics, it was mix of designing, it was mix of mechanical. So it was mix of so many branches into it. And making a CAD model of a flying way is a bit tricky task. Seems not, it doesn't seem so much hard with the words, but when we start designing it, it's a bit pretty. It's a bit tricky task to go with. But the experiences I got from it after completing all the 4 weeks internship and after making a working model was out of the bound. It was it was like you cannot imagine working hard day and night and finally it's paying off to you. The experience was like you achieved milestone, and I know that this experience, this particular work will definitely give me a boost up in my future endeavors. And I know that this is not just end, it's just a beginning, and I believe that this particular experience will somehow boost all my interability skills in designing and all. And the third thing that what I discovered from this internship is like it's also out of the boundary line. There are so many areas which I never knew. There were so many things which I wasn't aware of. I was just take an example. I was just aware of that electric engines have been used, but how working power output efficiency, what battery pack should be used, then that all things came into it, and it was a very interesting thing to go with work with. This was a very pleasant experience to discover all such small things, because knowing from the upper layer is not sufficient enough. Knowing from the deep that how and why we are using such a thing was very interesting. Because when you got to know that each and every one thing of a wing, that why wing are been having a diagonal angle, why wing are been having such a studs in it. So basically understanding all those small things made me feel very much optimistic in the subject, and it just generated such an interest in this particular area that I almost go through 1 to 2 books of understanding all the basic concepts and all the things and all the procedures of how things go around in this avionics field. So this was a very interesting experience, and I cannot just it's a so many things to it. Come I cannot just conclude in one sentence, but concluding that this thing got me discover so many new areas of what I knew. This is what this particular internship helped me discover. And this wasn't being able if I wasn't able to give a proper and correct guidance by the professor or by my family members or any of my friends, because of their guidance, their help, and their prominent support, I was able to complete with a period of time. And this is all what I need to present, what I want to present in this particular presentation. Thank you, sir.